going on YouTube land? I know it's been forever since I did a review. I have two coming up today, the Mizuno Wave Sky being one of them, and then also I have the Ultra Paradigm 4.0, but let's get started on the Wave Sky 2. I put about 80 to 90 miles in this shoe. I haven't checked my Strava lately because I hadn't run in it in a while. It's kind of become my work shoe, just because I was in a lower drop shoe, meaning the heel to toe drop was about 4 millimeters is what I was coming out of. I went in this shoe, very plush right off the bat, very comfortable, has a skate shoe kind of thing going on here where it's real thick, lockdown heel. They did add some slippery material back here, which I didn't like, but it still is a lockdown fit. Mizuno has a great heel cup. It kind of angles a little bit. The cushioning, like I said, very soft right off the bat, just amazing feeling, very comfortable shoe. The tongue is thick. I liked how the laces are. They're kind of this round, I don't know, just a round lacing. And the mesh is not that breathable. I did notice on my first run too that the bottom of my foot was getting hot on this sole. So this insole, I don't know what the deal was that was, but the insole is super thick. If you can see that, it's way thicker than a traditional insole, but I really enjoyed the ride of it. Now I did have some issues, like I was saying, in my Achilles, but when you're wearing Mizunos, I would suggest wearing a calf sleeve just to keep all those kind of issues away. And then also this wave plate that they work with. So Mizuno uses their kind of their own sole, and then they have like a wave plate is what they call, and it actually felt a little bit softer than other wave plates in the past. Now this is kind of their plush cushioning. This is their neutral trainer, max cushion neutral trainer, so it's built to go the distance, and it's a very comfortable shoe. I really like it, except for that burning sensation in my foot. And then also I noticed that my feet were very sweaty afterwards, and then even when I work in them, I noticed that my feet get very hot in them. So I'm guessing it's just a bunch of overlays. You know, there's a couple of there's the original mesh, and on the inside there's kind of like this softer, thicker material. So, and then also all that cushioning, like I said before about the skate shoe thing, I think that kind of makes it not breathable, and so it might be a deal breaker for some. But for me, it was fine. I can picture myself running more in these if I wasn't transitioning out of a lower drop shoe, just because I was having issues with going to a higher drop shoe. Now this is a 10 millimeter drop. It's 21 millimeters in the forefoot, 31 in the heel, and it's their plush cushion trainer. Now if you're used to a high drop shoe, or if you're used to a Mizuno and you're training for a marathon, training for a half marathon, I would definitely recommend this shoe. It's a great neutral trainer, and it's by Mizuno. Not the stablest of shoes, but a lot of people said it was narrow. I didn't get that feel. I felt like the forefoot is very roomy. Size 11 and a half, fit perfect. I'm sorry, yeah, 11 and a half. I believe these are fit perfect. That's my usual shoe size. When I go to a 12, that's kind of like the item's just going up because the shoe fits small, but this one fits right on. My toes weren't hitting the front. The Mizuno Wave Sky 2, let's do the weigh in on it. See how much it weighs. 13.1 ounces. That's incredibly heavy. So, hope you liked the review. Ultra Paradigm 4.0 coming up. See you guys.